Hi dear students, welcome to the chemistry class. Here you can see a newspaper cutting about the measures taken to ensure cleanliness during the COVID pandemic. Observe the image carefully. Let's read the caption. Spick and span. A municipal staff spraying bleaching powder in the Udagamandalam hill station in Tamil Nadu on Monday. So what do you understand from this picture? Yes, a staff spraying bleaching powder on the road. So the white powder here you see is the bleaching powder. Have you heard about it? Haven't you seen bleaching powder used in your home for water purification? Aren't you familiar with its smell? What does it smell like? Yes, that is the smell of chlorine, which is a major constituent of bleaching powder. So let us know more about this major constituent. Chlorine is a chemical element with atomic number 17 and mass number 35.4527. Chlorine is not present in the free state in nature because of its high reactivity. Can you name some compounds of chlorine? Yes, there are many compounds which contain chlorine. Some of them are hydrochloric acid, sodium chloride and magnesium chloride. Next, let us see the preparation of chlorine in the laboratory. Chemicals required: potassium permanganate, water, concentrated sulfuric acid, concentrated hydrochloric acid. Arrange the apparatus as shown. Add a few drops of concentrated hydrochloric acid to potassium permanganate solution through the Thistle funnel. Observe the reactions that take place. 2 KMnFO plus 16 HCl gives 2 KCl plus 2 MnCl2 plus 8 H2O plus 5 Cl2. Hope that you have watched the video carefully. Let us answer some questions related to it. The balanced chemical equation for the reaction involved in the preparation of chlorine has been given. What are the reactants required for the preparation of chlorine? Yes, potassium permanganate KMnFO and hydrochloric acid HCl. Next, what are the products obtained? Yes, potassium chloride KCl, then manganese chloride MnCl2, then water H2O and chlorine Cl2. Have you noticed that the chlorine gas produced is passed through water and then through concentrated sulfuric acid? Do you know why? Let us see. Why chlorine gas is passed through water? To remove hydrogen chloride vapors coming along with chlorine. Next, through sulfuric acid, to remove the water vapor formed along with chlorine. Sulfuric acid can absorb the water vapor present in chlorine gas. Now let us see properties of chlorine gas. Color greenish yellow. Smell pungent. Density denser than air. Next, let us see bleaching action of chlorine. Chlorine gas can decolorize some colored substances. Let us demonstrate the bleaching action of chlorine. Fill the chlorine gas in a conical flask with stopper. Now insert a moist red flower into the flask and close the mouth of the flask tightly. What do you observe? Have you seen the gradual change in the color of the flower from deep red to colorless? Here, the flour undergoes bleaching in the presence of chlorine. Next, let us see the chemistry behind bleaching. What are the chemical reactions taking place here? Chlorine reacts with moisture to give hydrochloric acid and hypochlorous acid. Hypochlorous acid or HOCl is highly unstable, hence it decomposes into HCl and nascent oxygen. What do you know about nascent oxygen? Nascent oxygen is more reactive and its oxidizing power is high. Hence, it oxidizes certain colored substances to colorless. This forms the basis of the bleaching action of chlorine. Hence, it can be concluded that bleaching action of chlorine happens in the presence of moisture and bleaching is an oxidation process. Now you understood the chemistry behind the cleaning action of bleaching powder, which is used extensively in cleaning purposes.